दिक्कालाद्यनवच्छिन्नानन्त चिन्मात्रमूर्तये स्वानुभूत्येकमानाय नमः शान्ताय तेजसे. We finished with the Durjana Paddhati. Now let's start with Sujana Paddhati. अथ एतद् वैलक्षण्येन सुजन पद्धतिं निरूपयति. So as I told you before, sujana paddhati, paropakara paddhati rendume konja there will be some confusion between the two of them. Try to memorize what is shlokas 50 to 60, 61 to 70. Abdinutu, if you have some kind of a core kramaha tatra vartate chet, it can be easier to remember what comes in Sujana Paddhati versus Paropakara Paddhati. Vancha sajjana sangatau paragune preetir gurau namrata vidyayam vyasanam swayoshiti ratihi lokapavadad bhayam bhakti shulini shaktir atma damane samsarga muktih khalaihi एते येषु वसन्ति निर्मल गुणाः तेभ्यो महद्भ्यो नमः. एते निर्मल गुणाः येभ्यः येषु वर्तन्ते. So these good qualities, निर्मल गुणाः, pure qualities, एते निर्मल गुणाः येषु वसन्ति, in whom these pure qualities are found, Tebhyaha mahadbhyaha namaha. I bow to those great people. Mahadbhyaha namaha. So salutations to those men who have these pure, beautiful, good qualities. What are the qualities? Each one is a different quality here in Prathama Vibhakti. Vancha, that is the quality there. But vancha kutra iti chet sajjana sangatau vancha. I'm going to go over the Vyakhyanam here because he gives some nice references to other shlokas here. So, Sajjana Sangatau Sadhu Samagame Vancha. A desire to have the association with good people is a good quality that is present in great people. So, Sajjana Sangatau Sadhu Samagame Vancha Abhilashaha Natu Jihasa. Jihasa Hatum Icha. A desire for association with good people. This also helps in moksha. Moksha sadhakatvat. So, the Jnana Vasishtam quote that is given here is Yoga Vasishtam is different from Jnana Vasishtam. Mokshadvare dvarapalaha chatvaraha parikirtitaha shamo vicharaha santoshaha chaturthas sadhu samagamaha. These are the four things that are like dvarapalaka for the entrance to moksha. Those four are shamaha, indriya nigraha, and then vicharaha, usually antarindriya nigraha, and the vichara is mananam. Santoshaha, anandam, happiness or satisfaction, contentment is santosha. The fourth one is sadhu samagama. That's what we are looking at right now. So sajjana sangato vancha, the desire to associate with good people. Paragune preetihi. And then that paraguna paramanuna parvati kritya nityambar. I think it comes later in Paropakara Paddhati. So paragune preetihi, a pleasure in other people's merits. You don't look at it with jealousy or anything. Instead, you look at it with you're happy for another person's prosperity. If you find someone like that, hold on to them. They're the best friends in life. So, paragune preetihi gurau namrata. Or namra bhavaha, prakhvi bhavaha, natu garva udriktata. Without arrogance, you behave with devotion towards your guru, who is a vidya upadeshta, who gives you vidya. Yasya deve parabhaktihi, yatha deve tatha guru. This is a very popular subhashitam. Who has a great devotion towards the God, and just as the similar devotion to God, he has a similar devotion to Guru also. Tasya ete nikhilaha arthaha prakashante mahatmanaha. Tasya mahatmanaha. So he is considered as a great person, and all of the arthaha, anything that he wants can easily be solved. He can achieve everything that he needs in life. Guru Namrata. Vidyayam Vyasanam. Vidyayam Vyasanam. Vyasanam is an entertainment. You entertain yourself with academic pursuits and not things like gambling and other bad habits. So Vyasanam, entertain yourself in vidya, learning. Swayoshiti ratihi, have a desire or you delight only in one's own spouse. Swayoshiti ratihi. Loka apavadat bhayam, one has to fear criticism from others. Loka apavadaha, censure or abuse from others. Loka abhavadat bhayam natu nirlajjatvam. You don't shamelessly act in the world. Instead, you have some kind of a shame or a guilt upon doing some wrong action. Bhaktihi shulini. Shulini, shulam asya asti iti shuli. Parameshwaraha. So, Parameshware bhaktihi. Because it is Bhartrihari, in Vairagya Shatakam, he has this shloka. महेश्वरे वा जगताम अधीश्वरे जनार्दने वा जगदंतरात्मनि न वस्तु भेद प्रतिपत्तिरस्ति मे. I don't have any difference between whether it is Parameshwara or Janardana. Maheshware va jagatam adhishware, one who is the Lord of the entire world, or Janardaneva Jagad Antaratmani, he is the Antaratma, he is the inner soul for everybody, which is Janardana. I don't see any difference between the two of them. Na vastu bheda pratipattihi jnanam asti me tathapi bhaktihi tarunendu shekhare. Still my devotion lies with Shiva, who has that crescent moon on his head. Adu oru thani Ishtadevata. Even I think in the first shloka of Vairagya Shatakam also has an invocation to Parameshwara there. So Bhakti Shulini. Idella vande, it is an Ishtadevata. You can substitute it with whatever Devata you want. Like Kalidasa, he has written Stotram on Vishnu, Brahma, Parameshwara also. But every one of his natakam starts off with an invocation to Shiva. And it also ends with a Bharata Vakyam where Parameshwara is mentioned. So there you know that it is his Ishtadevata. Bhakti Shulini. Shaktihi Atma Damane. For a long time I thought you show your Shakti, your strength in controlling your inner senses. That is what I usually give the meaning as. I think I didn't look at the Vyakhyanam here. Atma Damane Sati. When you put Sati Saptami here, Swa Paribhave Sati. When someone insults us, that is where you show your Shakti, your power. Or you can also show your power in restraining oneself. That is normal, right? But at the same time, you show your power only when someone else is trying to insult you or put you down. Atma damane swaparibhave sati shaktihi samarthyam tatra you have to show. Natu upashamena audasinyam. Remember Kiratarjuniyam? You don't say that control is the best, control of anger, control of inner shatrus is the best, and remain neutral about it. Draupadi says, Sanjuhidiya Pavakam. You might as well Jatadhara Sanjuhudi Iha Pavak, Sanjuhudi Iha Pavakam Avdimbo. You can do yagam here in this forest instead. Audasinyam tu tatra na varam ityeva. Anyada bhushanam pumsam shamaha lajja iva yoshitam parakramah paribhave vayyatyam surateshvira. Okay. Anyada bhushanam pumsam lajja iva yoshitam parakramaha eva paribhave. This is what we need here. The rest namakku theva illa. The point that he wants to make here is paribhave sati parakramaha kartavyaha. Okay.
What is the
That
difference between Atma Damanam and Audasinyam and all that?
Audasinyam is more being
ignoring
neutral. Ignoring it completely. அதாவது குட்ட குனியறதுங்கிறது ஒரு பக்கம். Which means you are not even showing your self-respect there.
Then what is Atma Damanam? What do you do?
So when somebody is insulting you, you show your power at that point by resisting in whatever manner you can.
Oh, okay.
Atma Damane Sati Swaparibhave sati, when someone puts you down, you show your samarthyam. You show your shakti. So, Atmadamane Shaktihi.
Then what is control about it then? What is the control of the inner senses?
Damanamna enna artham?
Anyway.
இல்ல தமனம்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? யூசுவல் மீனிங் என்ன?
Controlling the urges, inner urges.
Controlling inner sense organs or outer sense organs is damanam usually. So Atma damanengarda, don't take it as Vishaya Saptami, take it as Sati Saptami.
Okay.
When you take it as Vishaya Saptami, then what happens is Atma damana Vishaye Shaktihi Darshayitavya iti. If you take it as Vishaya Saptami, then it will mean that you have to restrain yourself. You have to show power in order to control your inner senses. Abdin vandru.
Good.
Okay. Instead of that, when you take it as Sati Saptami, Atma Damane, when someone else controls you, then you show your Shakti Samarthyam. Clear da?
And do we have to read the Jnana Vasishtam before the Yoga Vasishtam?
I have no clue. This is the first time I am even coming across this name Jnana Vasishtam.
They are not the same, right? It's a different
I
thing,
don't
right?
think so.
Tamil Vedantic text, ma'am, Jnana Vasishtam and the Ramana circles la solluva.
Illa, apparently Yoga Vasishta is also called as Jnana Vasishtam.
Oh, it's the same thing then.
Same thing. அவ்வளவுதான். அப்பாடா போறோம். ஸோ ரமணரோடது வந்து தமிழ்ல உண்டு. பட் இது சம்ஸ்கிருதம்ங்கிறதுனால தமிழாக்க அவர் எழுதினது எல்லாமே இஸ் முதல்ல தமிழ். அப்புறமா வந்து இவர் கணபதி முனி இல்லைன்னா கபாலி சாஸ்திரியார் வந்து he might have written it in.
I don't think he wrote it. He used to, Bhagavan himself used to quote the Jnana Vasishtamnu on Tamil
Yoga
Vedantic text. Okay.
So Yoga Vasishthatinuடைய தமிழ் ரெண்டரிங் இருக்கலாம். So there are many texts in Advaita Vedantam that have been written in Tamil. Like கைவல்ய நவநீதம்லாம் வந்து இதுதானே தமிழ்ல எழுதின புஸ்தகம் வேதாந்தம் டெக்ஸ்ட். அந்த மாதிரி வேற புக்கா இருக்கலாம் பகவான் ரெஃபர் பண்றது. சம்சர்க முக்திஹி கலைஹி கலைஹி சம்சர்க முக்திஹி. One has to develop the quality of mukti, samsarga mukti, that is a dissociation from bad people. That's the last one. Freedom from the association of bad people. Durjanaihi saha samsarga muktihi sangatyagaha. Not clear? So Durjanah parihartavyaha iti purvam uktameva. So these are the qualities, these good qualities. Yeshu vasanti tebhyaha mahadbyaha namaha. I bow to those great people.
So in the subhashitam inga relevant yad achetanopi padaihi sprushtaha prajwarati savitur enakantah tat tejasvi purushaha parakrita nikritim katam sahate. Is it relevant here?
That is what is Atma Damane Shaktihi.
Atma Damane, okay.
Adeda.
Okay, thank you.
Vancha Sajjana Sang.
Right? Why they have put this Namaskara in the middle of the Shatakam?
இல்ல இது வந்து this is Sujananam. So this is more as an introduction to good people. அவர்களுக்கு நமஸ்காரம்னு. So this is not in the middle-க்காக இதெல்லாம் வந்து அப்படி எடுத்துக்க முடியாது. மத்தியமங்கலம்ங்கிற மாதிரி எடுத்துக்க கூடாது இதை. You can just take it as I bow to all the good people. They are the great people who have these good qualities. அவ்வளவுதான். As an introduction. வாஞ்சா சஜ்ஜன சங்கதோ பரகுணே பிரீதிர் குரவு நம்ரதா வித்யாயாம் வியசனம் ஸ்வயோஷிதி ரதிஹி லோகாபவாதாத் பயம் பக்தி ஷூலினி சக்திராத்மதமனே சம்சர்க முக்தி கலைஹி ஏதே ஏஷு வசந்தி நிர்மல குணாஹ தேப்யோ மஹத்யோ நமஹ. விபதி தைரியம் அத அபியுதயே க்ஷமா சதசி வாக்பட்டுதா யுதி விக்ரமஹ யசசி ச அபிருச்சிஹி அபிரதிஹி அபிருச்சிஹி இல்ல வியசனம் ஸ்ருதோ பிரகிருதி சித்தமிதம் ஹி மகாத்மனாம். திஸ் இஸ் திருத விலம்பிதம் இஸ் த விருத்தம் ஹியர். விபதி அது there are a lot of three, it starts off with the nagana, இல்லையா? அதனால it goes fast and then it slows down with a lot of guru. So dhrutam and vilambitam. Vipadi dhairyam athabhyudaye kshama sadasi vakpatuta yudhi vikramaha yashasi cha abhirutir ruchir vyasanam shruto prakriti siddham idam hi mahatmanam. And when there are a lot of hrasva letters, you can அது ஃபாஸ்டா சொல்ல முடியும். So it's dhrutam and then vilambitam. It becomes slower when there are samyukta akshara and guru letters. Vipadi dhairyam idam mahatmanam prakriti siddham. This is the nature of great people. What is the nature of great people? Vipadi dhairyam, courage, dhairyam during vipat. Apatkale tatra dhairyam nirvikara chittatvam natu dainyam. Not showing this thing of, I don't know what to do. What do I do at this point of time? Kaiya virichinte apdi peasant அந்த மாதிரி quality illa. So they do have a great courage during adversities. So and the presence of mind irukku. So vipadi dhairyam abhyudaye kshama. Abhyudaye sampatkale, when they have a lot of prosperity, kshama, they have a more softer attitude and they are more patient. They're tolerant of people. Sometimes what this money does is it gives a power and it gives an attitude of idu kuda panna mudiyada enna and madri, can't you do this? It's very easy, it is possible for, why can't you do it? That sort of an intolerance creeps in when money or prosperity comes in. So there you try to be more patient instead of being fierce towards people. Sadasi vakpatuta, the capacity to talk well, eloquence in a gathering. Sadasi. Yudhi vikramaha, heroism or showing of bravery in a battlefield. Yudhi. This is in Saptami Vibhakti. Yashasi cha abhiratihi or abhiruchihi, another reading. So yashasi abhiruchihi, abhiratihi, pleasure in delighting in fame. You are not looking for smaller or transient prosperity, but you are looking at more something that is intransient, eternal. Fame is eternal and it can live beyond your shariram. Nasti tesham yashakkaye jara maranajam bhayam. So yashakkaye tu jara maranajam bhayam nasti iti karanat yashasi eva tatra abhiratihi vartate tesham. Mahatmana. Vyasanam shrutau. Entertainment is again academic pursuits. So they take an effort, they do an effort, or vyasanam can mean entertainment, or vyasanam can also mean asaktihi, an attachment, not nirveda. Nirvedamna completely or disillusionment oda padikkiradhu illa. Maybe people who have been doing PhD for 10 years will be disillusioned with academic studies, but pursuing academic studies with an interest in it, it's a nature in great people. Vipadi dhairyam athabhyudaye kshama sadasi vakpatuta yudhi vikramaha yashasi cha abhiratihi vyasanam shruto prakriti siddhamidam hi mahatmana.
இந்த காவிய சாஸ்திர
வினோதேன காலோ கச்சதி,
that is relevant இல்லையா?
அதேதான். yes vyasanena tu murkhanam. ஆமா, நித்ரயா கலஹேனவா.
Vyasanam can be addiction here, right? You're addicted to
so yes, you can be addicted, contextually you take it. Yes, you are addicted to studies. Good pursuits, studies.
Okay.
Instead of taking it as addiction, it can be like a craving.
It's more like
ஆக்குபேஷன் இல்லையா? ஆக்குபைடு இல்லையா?
ஆக்குபைடுங்கிறது வந்து ரொம்ப மைல்டா போயிடுறது. If you want to have an addiction, it is better to have an addiction towards academic pursuits than anything else. அதுக்காக
it is just not occupied, it is
பொழுதுபோக்கு லெவல்ல அதை எடுத்துக்கிறோம். சில சமயம் you get addicted to பொழுதுபோக்கு.
Immersed completely.
Like for exam, we can just keep on copying. If one question from Niti Shatakam comes, we can take some other Niti Shatakam slokam and put it as code.
Yeah, actually வந்து as an explanation தாத்பரியம் போடலாம். அதுல ஒன்றும் தப்பு கிடையாது.
Oh, just one line from another Niti Shatakam.
Yeah, like he has given in this, see,
in the previous one here.
in the previous shloka, in the Vyakyanam he has given, right? So that is why I wanted to point that out. Paragune Preetihi, Paraguna Paramanuna Parvati Kirti Nityam comes for Paropakara Paddhati. So that's why I said these two can confuse you a lot also, but at the same time, try to keep it true to the 10 shlokas that form this Paddhati.
Okay.
As an explanation, you can always give whatever you want in the essay if you are not able to fill up pages. Kare shlaghis tyagaha shirasi gurupada pranayita mukhe satyavani vijayi bhujayoho viryamatulam hridi swachhavrittihi shrutam adhikatancha shravanayoho Vinapyaishwaryena prakriti mahatam mandanamidam. Vinapyaishwaryena, without having that prosperity which comes with wealth. Mahatam prakriti mahatam mandanam idam. This is the ornament for people who are great by nature. Prakriti mahatam. Prakritya mahan, prakriti mahan. So Prakriti Mahatam Mandanam, the ornament, decoration for people who are great, this adornment for naturally high-minded people, these become an adornment even without wealth. Aishwaryam Vinapi. Kare Tyagaha Shlagyaha Mandanam. You can connect it with that. So, और श्लाघ्यस्त्यागः श्लाघ्यः त्यागः सकललोक प्रशस्तः त्यागः दानमेव मण्डनं न तु कङ्कणं. There is another shloka which will come later, maybe दानेन पाणिर्न तु कङ्कणेन. அதுவும் இருக்கு. ஹஸ்தஸ்ய பூஷணம் தானமும் இருக்கு. தானேன பாணிர் நது கங்கணேன ஸ்நானேன இது நது சந்தனேன அப்படின்னு அதுவும் இருக்கு. So கரே ஸ்லாக்யः தியாகः. For in the hand, the best ornament is giving charity. The most praiseworthy ornament is charity. Shirasi, the ornament for on the head is Gurupada Pranayita. Gurupada Pranayi, Pranayi nama a liking towards the feet of the great people of your gurus. So Pranayita Abhivadana Tatparyam ityeva. So Pranayi nama Pranayaha asya asti iti Pranayi. Pranayinaha bhavaha pranayita. Apo the meaning big pranayaha nama priyam, liking. So liking towards the guru's feet is the ornament for the head, and that is the literal meaning. In other words, doing namaskaram to your guru is the best ornament for the head. Hridi mukhe satyavani. Sennipattu undu. Idula Manikavachakar. திருவடி மலர் மாமலர் மலரடி சென்னி மன்னி அப்படின்னு வரும். அதுல ஃபுல்லா எல்லாத்துலயும் கடைசியில அந்த அதனால்தான் அதுக்கு வந்து சென்னி பத்துன்னு பேரு. சென்னின தலை இல்லையா? சென்னி மன்னிங்கிறச்சு அதுல சிரசி ன்யஸ்ய ஹேவிங் பிளேஸ்ட் த ஃபீட் ஆஃப் பரமேஸ்வர ஆன் யுவர் ஹெட் அப்படின்னு அந்த 10 வேர்சஸும் அதுலதான் வரும்.
திருவாச்சகம்மா.
ஆமா, திருவாஜகத்துல வரும். சென்னிப்பத்து அவர் தானே இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு இதெல்லாம் போட்டு 10 அது பிரிச்சு இது பண்ணிருக்கா இல்லையா? நிறைய
usually he gives more than 10, one extra he'll put.
11 இருக்கும்ல.
Yeah, usually he'll put one extra.
Gurupada Pranayita Shirasi Mukhe Satyavani. What is the ornament for the face? It is speaking good truth. Vijay Bhujayoho Mandanam Vijayi Atulam Viryam. The ornament for the shoulders are victorious, Atulam matchless, Viryam bravery. So the bravery, bravery that can bring you victory, Vijayi. Vijayi is in Napunsakalingam as an adjective to Viryam here. So Vijayi Viryam eva tatra bhujayoho mandanatvena vartate. Atulam, it is also matchless and it is victorious bravery. It leads to victory. Hridi Swacha Vrittihi. the good conduct, clear conduct or frankness is the ornament for the heart. Shrutam adhigatam shravanayoho. Shravanayoho, the ornament for the 2 ears is a understanding of what it hears. Shrutam adhigatam. So adhigatam nama jnanam. Shrotram shrutena na kundalena danena panir natu kankanena. Adan the
Shrotrasya bhushanam shastram.
Bhushanaihi kim prayojanam. Adala. Okay. Shrutam adhigatam shrutam. Adhigatam nama praptam ityapi. You can take it as that. So the shrutam, the learning that you have obtained, is the ornament for the 2 ears. Or adhigamanam also means jnanam. சும்மா காதுல போட்டுக்கிறத விட you also have to understand what is being heard, right? So that is the ornament.
Nididhyasanam.
Mananam பண்ணணும். So vinapya aishwaryena, without any real wealth, these become the ornament for great people who are great by nature. करे श्लाघ्यस्त्यागः शिरसि गुरुपादप्रणयिता मुखे सत्यावाणी विजयी भुजयोर् वीर्यमतुलम् हृदि स्वच्छा वृत्तिः श्रुतमधिगतञ्च श्रवणयोः विनाप्यैश्वर्येण प्रकृतिमहतां मण्डनम् इदम् प्राणाघातान् निवृत्तिः परधनहरणे संयमः सत्यवाक्यम् இது ஸ்ரக்தரா 777 பிரியிறதே ஸ்ரக்தரா. So Sragdhara, you can easily identify by the fact that it is the biggest meter that people usually use. There are dandakams are much more bigger than this. You have other meters also, but in general, kavyams probably they go only up to Sragdhara, which is a 21 syllable meter. You can separate it into 3 sevens. Pranaghata nivrittihi. There should be a yati there. Paradhanaharane samyamaha. Paradhanaharane samyamas satyavakyam. Another yati. So kale shaktya pradhanam yuvati jana katha mukabhavav paresham. Trishna sroto vibhangaha gurushucha vinayaha sarva bhutanukampa samanyam sarvashastreshu anupahata vidhihi. So sarva shastresh anupahata vidhihi shreyasam esha panthaha. Okay, so it clearly splits 7 and 7. Eshaha shreyasam panthaha. This is the path for greatness, shreyas. So this is the shreyasam panthaha. Pranagatat nivrittihi. One should stop oneself from killing any life, taking away any life. So prana aghatat, prana aghatat, prana himsayaha nivrittihi. Nivaranam also you have the yasmat nivaryate tatra panchami apadanam. So prana aghatat nivrittihi. One should restrain ourselves from killing other people or taking the lives of other people. Paradhana harane samyamaha. Restraining oneself from stealing another person's wealth. Paradhanam. Samyamaha. Satyavakyam. Speaking the truth. Kale shaktya pradhanam. Kale, or you can take it as satyavakyam kale, because everything seems to have a condition here, right? So pranaghatat nivrittihi, this is 1. Paradhanaharane samyamaha, number 2. Satyavakyam kale. Kale, at the right time you speak the truth. Satyam bruyat, priyam bruyat, na bruyat, satyam apriyam. Yeah? So try to assess the time and time yadam purul yeval. Try to assess the time and place and speak the truth accordingly. So satyavakyam kale kartavyam. Shaktya pradhanam. One should do charity according to one's shakti. ரொம்ப இழுத்து விட்டு கூடாது. அதான். So shaktya pradhanam. Yuvati jana katha Muka bhavaha. This is another one here. Yuvati jana kathasu muka bhavaha. One should be very quiet in the matters of women. Idhula Shakuntalathla varum. First act la vandu when Anasuya, all the 3 women are there. Not in the first act. First act la da. When three women, Shakuntala, Anasuya, Priyambada, all of them are there. Dushyanta asks, about her, Tava Sakhi, who is this iti? So they say that this is Shakuntala and she is the daughter of Vishwamitra, who has been brought up by Kanva here. And then he says, so she is a Kshatriya lady. Then Dushyanta asks, how come? And then Vishwamitra was doing tapas when Menaka came. And then he stops them and says, Atafparam na vaktavyam. I understood the whole matter. He keeps quiet about it. After that, he doesn't want to, apram, abdin kekradilla. Yuvati jana katha muka bhavaha. You should know when to remain silent and be dignified about the whole thing. Yuvati jana katha muka bhavaha. Paresham trishna sroto vibhangaha. Trying to remove the trishna, the desire of other people. So, yachakaha ye vartante tesham trishna srotaha. Trishnayaha pravahaha. Tasya pravahasya bhangaha. This is another path for greatness. So you try to satisfy the needs of people who come and ask you. Gurushu vinayaha. Humility or a discipline towards your guru. Sarvabhuta anukampa samanyam. Sarvabhuta anukampaya samanyam. Samanyam here is not generality, but samanyam is samanasya bhavaha samanyam. Samatvam or samadarshitvam. Sarvabhuta anukampa dwara samatvam. You have an equanimity towards everybody because you have an anukampa or a compassion towards everybody. This is the first step for Vedanta. Sarvabhuta daya. Sarvabhuta anukampa. Showing compassion, understanding the suffering that people are going through is the first step which will lead to an equal state in your mind. Sukha dukkhe same kritva. That samanyam. Sarva shastreshu anupahata vidhihi. Upahatam is vighnita. Atra anupahatam nama avighnita vidhihi. Sarveshu shastreshu samanyamnu taniya idhu potrukar. Adu vanda. Anupahata vidhihi nu edutundrலாம். இங்கதான் சாமான்யம். ஓகே. சர்வ சாஸ்திரேஷு வேத வேதாந்தாதி சகல ஆகமேஷு அனுபகதः அவிச்சின்னः விதிः நாம அத்யயன விதானம். ஓகே. और सर्वभूत अनुकंपा इति पृथक् स्वीकृत्य तत्र सामान्यं सर्वशास्त्रेषु सामान्यं सर्वसिद्धान्तेषु you have an equal drishti, a perspective with respect to all shastras, and then anupahata vidhihi, you take it as karmanushtanam. There is no lopa with respect to karmanushtanam. There are one more extra guna comes here because he is not given a number. We can include one more here. Okay,
so Samanam can go with
other two ways to interpret,
or with Sarvashastreshu.
So two ways to interpret. Number one is, so inge vandu 1 2 idu third gunam, idu vandu fourth, this is 5, you have this as 6 7 aidha. Inge vandu this can be 8 alone. Sarvabhuta anukampa, you don't need a hyphen here. Take it as a separate word which is ending. So this is one gunam. Samanyam can mean sarvashastreshu, samanyam as the 9th guna. Having an equal perspective with respect to all shastras and not getting kuyuktiya yojikardilla, not using kutarkam there. And then anupahata vidhihi can refer to karmanushtanam. Vidhi nama vidhi shastram. Shastreshu nigameshu ye vidhayaha vartante tesham anusaranam, acharanam. That becomes karmanushtanam without any stop in it. So this becomes the 10th quality. Illana 9 qualities. All of these are the path for eshaha shreyasam panthaha. This is the path for greatness.
And அஷ்ட புஷ்பம்னு ஒரு ஸ்லோகம் இருக்கும். அதுல இதெல்லாம் வரும். அஹிம்சா பிரதமம் புஷ்பம், சர்வபூத தயா க்ஷமா, அதெல்லாம் வரும். விஷ்ணோஹோ பிரீத்திகரம் அப்படின்னு வரும்.
ஆமா ஆமா. நான் அதை எங்கேயோ நோட் பண்ணி வச்சிருந்தேன். அது 16 புஷ்பம் இல்ல, அஷ்ட புஷ்பம் தானா?
அஹிம்சா
அஹிம்சா பிரதமம் புஷ்பம், புஷ்பம் இந்திரிய நிகிரஹः, சர்வபூத தயா புஷ்பம், க்ஷமா புஷ்பம் விசேஷதः, தியான புஷ்பம், தபः புஷ்பம், ஞான புஷ்பம் ததைவ ச, சத்யம் அஷ்டவிதம் புஷ்பம் விஷ்ணோः பிரீதிகரம் பவேத்.
The Raghuvamshathila kuda when they were describing that Ravanas and the 10 heads kuda இந்த மாதிரி ஏதோ போட்டு வரும்.
அப்படியா?
ஆமா.
நான் கேட்டது இல்லையே. இருந்தா எனக்கு அப்புறமா இது அனுப்புங்க, கோட் அனுப்புங்க. பிராணாகாதான் நிவృత్తి பரதன ஹரணே சம்யம சத்யவாக்கியம் காலே சக்தியா பிரதானம் யுவதி ஜன கதா மூகபாவ பரேஷாம் திருஷ்ணாஸ்ரோதோ விபங்கோ குருஷு ச வினயः சர்வபூதானுகம்பா சாமான்யம் சர்வசாஸ்திரேஷு அனுபஹத விதிஹி ஸ்ரேயசாம் ஏஷ பந்தாः. சம்பத்சு மகதாம் சித்தம் பவேதுத்பலகோமலம் ஆபத்சு ச மகாசைல சிலாசங்காத கர்க்கஷம். Simple shloka. Sampatsu, when the mahatam chittam, great people, their heart is very soft during sampat. When they have dhanam, when they have wealth, their hearts become really soft in the sense it is not very hardened, and they have that anukampa. They show kshama, sampatsu kshama. They have that tolerant attitude towards people when they have wealth. So their mind, their chittam is utpala komalam. It's as soft as an utpala pushpa. Apatsu, whereas during calamities, their minds become really karkasham, hard. That is, during adversities, it has to be as solid as a solid rock in a big mountain. Mahashaila, Shila, a rock in a great mountain. Sanghata, like a collection of great rocks, big rocks in a big mountain. It is as karkasham, as tough or as rough, solid, hard as a rock. In order to எப்படி சொல்றது, ஒரு கஷ்டத்தை அனுபவிக்கிறதுக்கு அந்த ஒரு மனப்பான்மை வேணும் இல்லையா, அதனால தைரியம். நது அதைரிய விஸ்லதம் இத்யர்த்தः. So kinkartavyata moodham varad, they won't have that quality, so they will not be a coward during that time. This is an upama alankara. So because the upama sadharana dharma is mentioned in the samasta padam itself, it is upama alankara. Utpalavat or utpalam iva komalam chittam, mahashaila shila sanghatam iva karkasham chittam. Okay,
லுப்தோபமா
iva illa inge. Yes, sampatsu mahatam chittam bhaved utpala komalam apatsu cha mahashaila shila sanghata karkasham. Priya nyaya vrittihi malinam asubhange pyasukaram atu asantaha nabhyartyaha सुहृदपि न याच्यः कृशधनः विपदि उच्चैर्धैर्यं पदम् अनुविधेयं च महतां सताङ्केनोद्दिष्टं विषमम् असिधारा व्रतमिदम्. इदम् असिधारा व्रतं विषमं सतां केन उद्दिष्टं. For great people, what is this vratam, this penance that has been uddishtam, that has been indicated, this difficult path of walking on a sword's edge. Asi dhara, asi nama sword, dhara na edge, the sharp edge of a sword. That kind of a vratam which is as sharp as the edge of a sword. By whom has this been, who showed this path for them? Vishamam vratam kena uddishtam, who has indicated this kind of a path for great people? They have decided upon them, they have taken it upon themselves to be like this. Yeah. So nobody has directed them towards this path, but the shloka describes it. He says, who has shown this path for them? Priya nyaya vrittihi. What is their ishtam iti chet? They love to always follow only the proper path. So nyaya vrittam, nyaya vrittam nale nyayad anapetam nyaya, that which does not transgress the rules. So nyayat anapetam अनपेता या वृत्तिः वर्तते जीवनं वर्तते तादृश जीवनमेव तेषां प्रियम्. So they love to follow a path which is according to the rules. Asubhange api asukaram malinam jeevanam, doing anything that brings about a stain in their character, that kind of an action they would never do. It is very difficult for them to do even when their asubhange api, even when their lives are at stake, when their life is going to go away, break off. So asubhange api, even when they are going to face death, प्राणैः कण्टगतैरपि कर्तव्यमेव कर्तव्यं प्राणैः कण्टगतैरपि इरुका अदा. So asubhange api, even when their life is at stake, malinam asukaram, malinam nama dushkarma, asukaram akartavyam, sukaram nama easy, sulabham, asukaram, it is not easy for them to do any dushkarma, any bad act, even when their life is at stake. Asantaha na abhyarthyaha, they will never go and ask help from someone who is a wicked person. Asantaha satpurushaha asatpurushaha, asatpurushaha kadapi na abhyarthaniyaha, they will never go and ask from a person who is bad. Suhridapi krishadhanaha chet na yachyaha, even if he is a friend, and if he doesn't have enough money, krishadhanaha, one who has lost his wealth, na yachyaha, suhridapi na yachyaha, even if he is a friend, this good person will never go and ask his friend, knowing that he is in a bad shape, he will not go and ask him. Vipadi uchaihi dhairyam, during calamities he has a great strength of character. Padam anuvidheyam mahatam padam anuvidheyam, following the path of great people. These are all the things that are very difficult to follow, yet good people, satam, they follow it like a penance. You know, if you have taken a vratam, you will try as much as possible not to bring any bhangam to it. When you want to follow a great vratam, you, without any vighram, you follow it through, so that it will give you that result. They are having this kind of a vratam for their entire life. Who showed them this path? Priya Nyaya.
Suhridapina yachyaha krishadhanaha, then can you explain it?
See, asantaha na abhyarthyaha na yachyaha. Bad people should not be asked. Okay, fine. But if he is a good person and he is a friend, can I ask him? Yes, you can ask him, provided he has the amount of wealth that he can give you. The moment you ask him, he should be in a position to give you. அவனே சிங்கி அடிச்சுட்டு இருக்கிறது என்னத்த பண்றது? அதான் அவருக்கு
அது நார்மலா எல்லாரும் nobody will ask. அவனே கஷ்டம்.
அது நம்ம நார்மல்னு நினைக்கிறோம். எத்தனையோ விஷயங்கள் இங்க we think it is normal, but it is not followed by many people. அதான்.
Okay.
So the padam anuvidheyam iti kim?
महतां पदं महतां स्थानं अनुगन्तव्यम्, अथवा पदं नाम अत्र मार्गः इत्यपि स्वीक्रियते. सो महतां मार्गः एव अनुविधेयः, अनु पश्चात् गन्तव्यः, कर्तव्यः.
केन, I mean, by whom should it be?
सतां न सत्पुरुषं. महतां पूज्यानाम् अनुविधेयम् अनुकूलं पदं व्यवसितं न तु अननुकूलं पदं व्यवसितं. What? अनुकूलं पदं இது வேண்டாம், எனக்கு இது புரியவே மாட்டேங்கிறது.
இல்லைன்னா எனக்கு புரியும், but I don't understand the context in which anuvideyam is said. Anuvideyam means something that has been laid down, right?
No, vidheyam angarche that which has to be done இல்லையா?
Okay, that which has been ordered, that which has to be done, right?
Vidheya kartavyam iti.
Kartavyam. So anuvideyam. But kena that I mean anuvideyam, is going with the kena question, or is it hanging
so
in there?
satam eva. So don't take it as kena here. Okay, angadam prachanaya. Seri. Na yachyaha iti yat vratam vartate. அனுவிதேயம் இது எது விரதம் வர்த்ததே தத்து சதாம் ஏவ உத்திஷ்டம். அப்படி
இல்ல இன்னொரு சொல்லுங்க.
மகதாம் பதம் அனுவிதேயம். டேக் இட் as number 1, number 2, number 3 அப்படி தனித்தனியா எடுத்துக்கோங்க. ஈச் ஒன் இஸ் a விரதம். அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் இட் as a விரதம். நியாயாவிருத்திஹி ஏவ பிரியா இது ஏகம் விரதம்.
ஓகே.
கேஷாம் உத்திஷ்டம் ஏதத் சதாம் ஏவ ஏதத் விரதம் உத்திஷ்டம். கேன உத்திஷ்டம் இது பிருச்சதி அத்ர.
ஓகே ஓகே. சோ So satam anuvidheyam yat vratam kena uddishtam.
அல்ல, அனுவிதேயம் விட்டுருங்கோ. அனுவிதேயம் இங்க வந்து டேக் இட் வித் மகதாம் பதம், இதோட ஒரு செட்டா எடுத்துக்கோங்க. சோ மகதாம் பதம், மகத்துக்களினுடைய பாதையானது அனுவிதேயம் பின்தொடர வேண்டும் என்பது அப்படி எடுத்துக்கிறேன் நான்.
Oh, that has to be followed. Pindorara vendum, which means
you have to follow
this path of the great which has to be followed. Which has to be followed by whom?
By the which has to be followed அப்படிங்கிறது seems to be a rule for the satpurushaha.
Oh satam
யாச்யஹ மாரிதானே.
Okay, so யாச்யஹ வந்து na யாச்யஹ, they should not
கேன அப்படின்னு கேள்வி கேட்கலாமோ இல்லையோ அங்கேயும்? ஏன் அங்க வரல கேள்வி?
அங்க வந்து ஸ்ட்ரைட்டா இருக்குல்ல சுஹ்ருத்.
என்ன ஸ்ட்ரைட்டா இருக்கு? சுஹ்ருத் ந யாச்யஹ கேன ந யாச்யஹ, ஏன் அங்க கேள்வி வரலங்கறேன்.
சதாம் ந யாச்யஹ. ஓகே ஃபைன்,
சரியா?
பட் பதம் மகதாம் அனுவிதேயம் அப்படின்னா this marga which has to be followed of the great people, which has to be followed by the Satpurusha.
Everywhere it is Sadbihi.
எல்லா இடத்துலயும் you can take it as Sadbihi or not, or do the Anvaya as I told you. Nyaya Vrittihi Priya iti Vratam idam Malinam Asubange api Asukaram Malinam iti yat vartate tad Vratam. அப்படி போட்டுக்கோங்க ஒன்னொன்னு இடத்துலயும், you know. Then it will make more sense. Asantaha na abhyarthyaha iti yat vratam vartate idam vratam asidhara vratam kena uddishtam. Abdi.
But then the each one of those was actually having an example, like Priyanyaya, then the Asubange. Every one of them had an example. Vipari Uchaihi Dhairyam, all of them. But the Padamanuvideyam is kind of like redescribing the whole thing. It is just saying this path of the great that has to be followed.
No. அப்படி எடுத்துக்க கூடாது. Following the path of the great also. See, they have certain actions that they perform on their own. They also look at yadyad acharate sreshtaha taddadeva itaro janaha iti yat margaha vartate tan margaha anusartavyah ityetad vratam-api. Abdi.
Evam. Okay. And Vishamam here refers to something that's extremely difficult, right? விஷமம் வரதம் iti.
ஆமா, விஷமம். எஸ், அத முட்டேனா. ஆமா, விஷமம்னா மேடும் பள்ளமுமா இருக்கிறதுன்னு அர்த்தம். இட்ஸ் நாட் an even easy smooth way. It's a more
samam nasti tasmat vishamam iti.
Vishamam, yeah. Okay. The same line is repeated in the next one also. Pradhanam prachannam griham upagate sambhrama vidihi priyam kritva maunam sadasi kathanam chapyupakritehe anutseko lakshmyam nirabhibhavasarah parakathaah satangenoddishtam vishamam asidhara vratamidam. The same. So pradhanam prachannam, when you give someone, you do it in a very quiet manner, covering your tracks madri. In the லெஃப்ட் கைக்கு ரைட் கை கொடுக்கிறது லெஃப்ட் கைக்கு தெரியக்கூடாது. You do it in such a manner. Anonymous gift.
கொடுப்பதே இடது கைக்கு தெரியாது.
பிரதானம் பிரச்சன்னம் கிரகம் உபகதே சம்பிரம விதிஹி. சம்பிரம விதிஹி showing a kind of a பிரத்யுத்தான அபிவாதனாதி சத்வர வியாபார விதானம், showing a எதிர்நோக்கி வரவழித்தல், அதிதி சத்காரா. So you go towards them and then abhivadanam, you do a namaskara, satwaram, immediately you do all of these things. Inniki da kartala, there is this Manusmriti shloka, urdhvam prana utkramanti, idula irukku. Mare ore oru nimisham. urdhvam pranaha utkramanti utkramanti yunaha stavire ayati பிரத்யுத்தான அபிவாதாபியாம் புனஸ்தான் பிரதிபத்தியதே. ஸோ இவர் வந்து பிருத்து மகாராஜா, the four Sanatkumaras come to meet him, and Prithu immediately gets up, but before he gets up, it's as if his pranan has gone forth, and he also gets up to get back his pranan, it seems. அப்படின்னு வர்ணிச்சிருக்கோம் பாகவதத்துல. இட்ஸ் as if he wanted to get back, பிரத்யாதித்சுஹு பிராணானு இவ அப்படின்னு. So the reference there is to Manusmriti, which says urdhvam pranaha utkramanti sthavire ayati sati. When an old person comes, you can take it as an athithi also. When an athithi comes in, when an old person comes in, a young person immediately gets up, but more than that, his pranan goes off, it seems. Urdhvam utkramanti, it comes out, and then in order to get it back into you, pratyuthana abhivadabhyam punahatan pratipadyate. He gets back his pranan by going towards the old person and doing a namaskara. Analna abhivadana sheelasya nityam vriddhopasevinaha chatvari tasya vardhante ayurvidya yashobalam. நான் நமஸ்காரம் பண்ணா, சூரிய நமஸ்காரம் பண்ணா your life will increase ன்னு நினைச்சுட்டு இருந்தேன். This is the point in Manusmriti. It's as if your entire life goes to them, and if you do not take care of them properly, then it will அது பதிலடி வரும். It will come back and hit you in a different manner, and you will lose your life because you will end up with papam there. Atite satkaraha na kritaha gurunam bahumanam na kritam tatra. So it will come back and attack your life. அதுதான் the point. So griham upagatasya vishaye arthini athava atitau சம்பிரம விதிஹி. யூ ஷோ தட் அந்த ஒரு பரபரப்பு, யூ ஷோ தட் ஔத்சுக்கியம், ஒரு ஈகர்னஸ் டு கோ அண்ட் ரிசீவ் ஹிம். பிரியம் கிருத்வா சதசி மௌனம் கதனம் சாபி உபகிருதேஹே. So sadasi is like a madhyamani nyaya. It comes in the middle. It will connect for both the left side and the right side. So priyam kritva, having done something good for others, you are quiet in an assembly. You don't go and tell everybody, I did this. Whereas at the reverse is api upakritehe. If someone has done a favor to you, then sadasi kathanam, you go and tell it out loud in a assembly. Anutsekaha lakshmyam. Lakshmyam, when you have prosperity, you don't show garvam. Anutsekaha, be without any arrogance. Nirabhi bhava saraha parakathaha. Parakathaha, any gossip about other people, do not have any saram in them. You treat them as essenceless when it comes to stuff about other people here. Nirabhi bhava saraha parakathaha satam kenodishtam vishamam asidhara pratamidam. Okay.
திருக்குறள்ல கூட செல்விருந்தோம்பி வருவிருந்து பார்த்திருப்பான் நல்விருந்து வானத்தவர்க்கு. ஒரு கெஸ்ட் போறதுக்குள்ள அடுத்த கெஸ்ட் எப்ப வருவோம் பார்த்தா he will become a great guest to the devasam.
ஆமாமா, அந்த இதுல வரும் விஷ்ணு புராணத்துல. there is an entire section about how you have to serve athithi before you had food every day.
விருந்தோம்பல் அதிகாரத்துல ஃபுல்லா வரும் திருக்குறள்ல சொல்லி.
விஷம அசிதார விரத. It's like their life itself is like very difficult and sharp or something like that. Or
yeah, it's like a difficult path, like walking on the razor's edge or walking on a sword's edge for them. Their entire life is to follow such a very difficult path which is not smooth. Vishamam.
Okay.
So nir abhibhava. Abhibhava usually means defeat, right? Nir abhibhava karaha nama?
Anindaparaha parakathaha. You don't criticize other people's story. That is gossip. என்ன அவன் இப்படி பண்றான் அப்படின்னு, always criticizing other people. அது இல்லாம இருக்கிறது.
So parakathaha அப்படின்னா என்ன usually? Parakathaha
paresham kathaha.
The stories of others, Siti.
Yes, the stories of others. You don't continuously gossip about others and saying என்ன பண்ணான் தெரியுமோ இல்லையோ அப்படின்னு.
Oh, okay.
Oh, when not in their presence but behind them.
Not in their presence. You can take it as Pishunata also. Or even when they are there, you try. எப்ப பார்த்தாலும், you know, there are people who will start off with criticism. அது இல்லாம இருக்கணும். So, abhibhava is criticism. Nirabhibhava saraha. Anything that the other person is saying, your first instinct should not be to attack them.
So, okay. So, which means that abhibhava is criticism. Nirabhibhava means the lack of such criticism.
Yes.
And then Sara means having essence. So, their parakataha don't have criticism. Can I say that? These people, if they, whatever they talk, they do, the stories that they say or the conversations that they have doesn't have any criticism of others. Nirabhibhava Sara.
Yes. Adada.
So,
So, they talk about speaking of others without any disrespect.
Right. So parakataha is just speaking about others, but there's no disrespect in that. It's always
Yes.
respectful, etc. So it's not that
Yes.
they don't speak parakataha. They do speak, but they speak something that is good, not nothing that's not anything that's bad.
Oh, then it is karmadharaya, not bahuvrihi,
It is
right?
no, it is bahuvrihi only. Parakataha iti, right?
பரேஷாம் கதாஹ ஏஷாந்தே பரகதாஹ அப்படி எடுத்துக்கலாம். Or பரகதாஹ. Others stories, பரேஷாம் கதாஹ. Just take it as இதுதானே. ஷஷ்டி தத்புருஷ தானே. Why should it be any other?
You have to take it as dvitiya bahuvachanam. Parakataha vadanti iti.
எதுக்கு அதெல்லாம் வேண்டவே வேண்டாம். Don't try to do பிரதமா விபக்தி எல்லாம் பிரதமா விபக்தி.
Whole thing.
எல்லாமே பிரதமாவா?
ஆமா.
Shashti tatpurusha paresham kataha parakataha. Then
No, we are talking about two different things here. Hold on. So, parakataha, paresham kataha, pratama vibhaktil edutukongo. Just like how we did in the earlier shloka, connect it with the vratam here. Parakataha iti yat vartate tattu tadvratam.
Oh, tata.
ஆமா. இல்லன்னா உங்களுக்கு ஒட்டியே வராது. Then you will keep on trying to figure out what the ரொம்ப கஷ்டமாயிடும்.
Nirabhibhava saraha then will become like Visheshana.
It is an adjective to parakataha.
Adjective, yeah.
Karmadharaya.
Karmadharaya. Okay.
Okay.
But it is not even a samastapadam, right? What karmadharaya?
என்னத்த சமஸ்தபதம் இல்லங்கிறீள்? என்ன ஆச்சு உங்களுக்கு?
Nirabhibhava saraha separate you are taking.
Nirabhibhava. Nirgataha abhibhavaha nirabhibhavaha. So nirgataha abhibhavaha nirabhibhavaha parakataha. Those stories which do not have disrespect. Or nirabhibhavascha saraha te saraha nirabhibhava saraha parakataha. அப்படிதான் வரும். கரெக்ட் தானே? என்னாச்சு?
Okay.
Yeah. அந்த அடுத்தது பெரிய yeah. It will take time. Sari, we'll stop with this and do